What if your rough sketches could transform into stunning digital art in seconds? Today, I'm revealing my complete workflow using Adobe Firefly's image generator, the tool that's changing how creatives work. Traditional sketching captures your unique vision and creative intent. Adobe Firefly amplifies that by understanding your style and translating it into polished artwork. This hybrid approach combines human creativity with AI precision, giving you control while saving hours of manual work. First, I scan and photograph my sketch at high resolution. Then I upload it to Firefly's generative fill and image expansion features. I write detailed prompts describing style, mood, and medium. Firefly generates variations instantly. I refine details, adjust colors, and iterate until it matches my vision perfectly. Use reference keywords in your prompts. Specify art style, lighting, and composition. Start with clear sketch foundations. Vague sketches produce vague results. Test multiple variations before committing. Combine Firefly with Adobe's other tools for post-processing refinement. Most importantly, maintain creative control by treating AI as your assistant, not replacement. This workflow accelerates concept to final art timelines dramatically. You're not replacing artistry, you're enhancing efficiency. Whether creating portfolio pieces, client work, or personal projects, Adobe Firefly becomes your collaborative partner in bringing imagination to life. Ready to elevate your art? Subscribe for more AI creative workflows, hit that like button, and comment your biggest